Hey, what's up? Today I got an absolutely fantastic and super easy recipe for getting freaky with tzatziki potato salad. Super easy to make, only a couple of ingredients, basically the potatoes and the tzatziki. Put them together and you have got one heck of a side dish. So, to speed things up, I've already peeled my potatoes here. I'm just using a couple pounds of my Yukon Gold. You can use whatever you have on hand. I've got my pot of water already boiling. And for this, very simply, all I'm going to do, actually, let me just leave this here. I'm going to take my potatoes and just cut them into maybe 1/2 inch to 1 inch pieces. Something that is about bite-sized, but something that isn't too big either. You don't want this thing taking like, half an hour, 45 minutes to boil. These potatoes and the size that they're going to be will maybe take about 15-20 minutes tops to be done. So now my potatoes are all done. You can see they're like nice sized chunks here, so they'll be like really good and they'll boil fairly quickly. So you can see now my potatoes are in bite-sized chunks, so that way they're not that hard to boil and won't take that long. So my water is well on its way. I'm just going to take these now and just drop them in there real quick and just let those go. Those in about 10 to 15 minutes should be ready to go. So it's been about 15 minutes. Now my patatas are done. Time to quickly drain them off and just throw them in there. Perfect. Nothing to this at all. So while they're still nice and hot, what I'm going to do is I'm going to season them with salt right in here. That way the salt will have a chance to dissolve real quick. Just give these a quick toss there. Perfect. I'm going to take a bolli here, just like that. Perfect. I'm going to do a little bit of pepper here for these things. Now, here's the trick and the kicker to this. Greek toothpaste. This is my getting freaky with express tzatziki. I'm going to show you the recipe for this. It's not even worth a video. I'm just going to post it just up here in the screen so you can kind of pause the video and just jot it down. This is 2 cups of strained Greek yogurt, 2 cloves of finely pureed or minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of fresh dill, and that's it. I forgo the vinegar and as well the cucumber. I don't need that extra that extra liquid in there. So this will go in here just like that, nice and easy. Perfect. And that, my friends, is the recipe. Now I'm going to give these a quick stir. This is going to melt down and it's going to coat the potatoes and it's going to make them absolutely crazy good. Really, really, oh my gosh. The heat from the potatoes now, it's starting to just suck up all that flavor from the tzatziki. This is perfect. And this is a dish you can serve as a warm or cool or a chilled side as well. Now, one last thing here. Just going to grab a little bit of my olive oil. Now for this, forget the tablespoon business. I'm going to go close to about 1/4 of a cup in here. I like the Greek lube. So just give that, again, another mix up. This is absolutely fantastic. Absolutely gorgeous. And how easy is this? This is like on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most difficult. This is like a 0.5. Like this is like boiling water. There's like nothing to this. Oh yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Boom, done. Let me just grab a little fork here and just try this out. Hopefully it's not too hot. Oh, oh my gosh. That is so simply delicious. It is absolutely scrumptious. And this will also keep in the fridge for a few days. So, my friends, really that's it for this video. There's nothing else to this recipe. Boil potatoes, cube them up, bite size or whatever size you want. Make my express tzatziki, yogurt, garlic, dill. That's it. There's nothing to it. Combine all these together and you have a little bit of olive oil and you have got an absolutely scrumptious recipe. Now here's the thing as well. You can half this recipe, go with 1 cup of yogurt and 1 pound of potatoes, or double it, triple it, whatever you want. The key to this recipe in terms of expanding it or dividing it or whatever is 1 pound of potato with 1 cup of the tzatziki that you're making. So thank you so much for watching. Again, it was great to share this with you. Hope you like this. Please hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, or at least please consider subscribing. Check me out online for this recipe and many others on kensgreektable.com. And until next time, please take care of yourselves and each other, and I will definitely see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.